Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to the studio for the look at that. This is my iPhone 12 Pro Max, and today I received a new update, brother, a new update for a brand new iOS 16. Let's see. This update is here in front of you, my friend. This is iOS 16.0.2. Can you see this? You see that this update can face camera vibration, everything here. What you can see, can you see this? Every new things here, voice over, copy and paste between application, vehicles, permission prompt, everything. This update can fix all of this problem. Seriously, I don't know, I have not noticed yet all of these problems, but I think that is real. Now let's try to update this amazing phone right now. Update requested. Okay, it took 2 minutes. Get ready. Don't forget to like and share this video because it's amazing. Nice. First of all, let's see more information about more RAM, everything. As you can see, operating system iOS 16.0 right now. Memory, look at rubber RAM 672. Wow. Available storage. Okay, nice. Now get ready. Do. I can see this one still good. Every time you need to clean your phone, this is curious. Nice, beautiful camera, not bad. Okay, about 0 seconds remaining. Oh, I feel that I need to charge my phone to update this thing because you need 30 50%. Now my charger is connected to my phone and I wait for update. Okay, look at that. Okay, good. Preparing update. Okay, we wait for that. Okay, there's something new here. Download it. Okay, now I'm ready to click on install now. Okay, installing process started. Get ready, my friend. Get ready. Process. Verifying update. Okay, get ready, your phone will reboot many times. This is normal. iPhone, hello. 1, 2, 3, 4, and let's go for the update. We see what I'm talking about. Okay, stay ready. I think that it's almost finished. Okay. What are you doing? I think that I will need to wait again. Okay, let's go. Okay, I think that it's done. Okay, get ready. You can see software update. Your iPhone has been updated to iOS 16.0.2. Okay, look at that. Nice. Now let me enter my password and welcome home, brother. Welcome home. Okay, as you can see, it's working. Now let's see RAM. Okay, good. You can see I have now more storage. Can you see this? Okay, let's looking for update. General software information. Okay, so can you see it? iPhone is up to date. Okay, cool. Let's try to turn off this phone right now. Okay, let's go. Nice. As you can see, it's off. Now let's turn on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do do do. Do do dun 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 dun. And what? Welcome back. You can see nothing appear. You need to enter your passcode first. Okay, get ready. And now welcome on the home page. You can see. Okay, nice, good. Camera, nice. You can take a photo. Great, nice. Notifications appear. Something. You can see no other notifications. Okay, good, nice, great, not bad. And what? And okay, let's see more information about RAM again. As you can see, operating system It's iOS 16.0.2. Good. And you have more RAM and more storage again. Okay. Okay. Now school. Okay. I can see borrow percentage. You can see the difference between this level and this level here. No indication. This is something I want to fix. Maybe on the next update. I don't know. What do you think? Okay. So to me, what do you think about this? And let's go for update. You need actually to update your phone right now for better performance. Okay. I have no vibration under this keyboard. This is very amazing. Okay, okay. You can see this wallpaper is moved. You can see it's not moved other. Why Apple? Why Apple? I like a movie. I like a movie. Okay, thank you for watching. God bless you. And I see you later for more videos. And look at my face. Don't forget to click and share, bro. You are so beautiful. God bless you. Hi.